I now request Dr. Anita Gupta, Scientist Head, NST New Delhi, for inaugural address, virtual.
Thank you so much. Very good morning from Department of Science and Technology, and more so specifically from my team, the team of NSTDB, National Science and Technology Entrepreneurship Development Board. On today, the 24th of March 2021, it's indeed a proud moment, and I acknowledge the presence of Dr. B. Vaikunda Selvan, Dr. P. Krishnadas, Mr. Senthil Prabhu, Mrs. Lakshmi Sarvanan, Dr. P. Krishna Kumar, V. Satyamurthy, and the entire academic ecosystem of the Nehru Group of Institutions, inclusive of faculty, students, startups, entrepreneurs, and all these stakeholders. So one and all, greetings from DST and NSTTV side. Let me congratulate all of you who have been behind this setting up of this technology business incubator, because it does require a real inspiration and the wisdom to create such kind of mechanism to foster innovation and entrepreneurship across the nation. As you all may be aware, the course of human history and progress has been shaped up by imagination, inspiration, invention, and innovation. It's no better time as we speak today, the way India and all of us have navigated through the one of the unprecedented crises of COVID-19 and are successfully overcoming this thanks to the power of technology, power of innovation, power of like-minded organization, power of entrepreneurship, and power of collaborative efforts. We have really scaled up our journey, and if you really compare the situation which was exactly a year before, where we were zero in many indigenous products to fight, to give a robust fight against this pandemic, be it in the case of indigenous ventilators or our own indigenous PPE kits, or you talk about any IT-based solutions which we now use, Arogya Setu, or you call any disinfectants. We were not there, but we have arrived, and we have arrived it in a very sound manner from zero to surplus. We have attained and scaled up this journey in a span of few months. Who could have thought of otherwise in a normal course pre-COVID era? This would have taken particularly the product based or manufacturing kind or device kind of development to really see the light of the day in 2 to 3 years. That's the minimum period, but the journey could be really compressed, and the runway could be shortened only because we all work collectively for a shared purpose and for the shared mission with total commitment, with the zeal, working round the clock. And that's how India is proud to now steer the largest vaccination drive globally, whether it's for startups, whether it's for incubators, whether it's for stakeholders. Today's, when we talk, it's the age of collaboration, and together collaborating with the right intent for a common vision and purpose, I think all of us can achieve a lot, and that will be the real contribution. Any incubator can play a role, and India is looking for such incubators, such startups to make us proud and lead the charge of economic development as the key change agent. So thank you one and all. and my best wishes from NSTDB team. We look forward to for this incubator to churn out more successful startups and maybe unicorn. So our best wishes. Thank you.